Alright! I'm here to review a product. It's a Pax Moly. There's a love letter. Hi, Miss Crisha. I hope you like my product. Aloe Vera Smoothie Cream, whitening and anti-aging, KFDA approved vitamin capsule inside the cream, penetrates deeply into your skin, layered to increase absorption rate, providing vitality on skin suffered from stress. All-day hydration, one supply. It's from Nicole's Beauty Hub. Thank you! Let's try this and feel the change. Oh, Korean din siya. Wanna see? Whoa, yeah, baby. Wow. Pwede rin siya sa mga stress. Ako stress ako. Meron din siyang soap. Okay, basahin natin. Aloe Vera Whitening Soap. It softens skin, deeply cleanses skin's healthy, younger complexion. Solution for those suffering from freckles. Uy! Freckles! Di ba daghan ng utana sa kuha paano matanggal ang freckles? This is the answer pala. Aloe Vera Whitening Soap. Pimples, dryness. Uy, si pimples daw. Dryness, skin ailment, mild cleansing even for makeup. Detoxify. Suitable for all types. I will try this tomorrow. Okay. Tapos na ako ligo. So today, I am not using my 3 kinds of soap, but I'm gonna use this Pax Moly, Pax Moly, Pax Moly. The fire to the limits of the wall. Hi. Balik ko na yung first video. Bye! Salamat kayo! Pax Moly Smoothie Cream Review! If magustuhan niyo yung product, check the description box and I'll link below their Instagram and Facebook page. Don't forget din to subscribe my channel please and like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram for more tips guys. Salamat kayo!